Hello everyone. So yesterday we started this series of question paper, HPSC Assistant Professor Exam question paper, and that is for the first round, जहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्टिव पूछा गया था। 100 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे और हमने कल डिस्कस किए थे कुछ अराउंड 70 क्वेश्चंस। आज हम रिज्यूम करेंगे एंड विल सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम। ओके, सो अभी तक इसका कट ऑफ तो रिलीज़ नहीं हुआ है, फाइनल रिजल्ट्स रिलीज़ नहीं हुए इस फर्स्ट राउंड के, जहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट इसको नाम दिया गया था और इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस थे। ठीक है, तो मार्क्स तो आ गए बट कट ऑफ रिलीज़ नहीं हुआ कि रिस्पेक्टिव कैटेगरीज में क्या कट ऑफ होंगे। ओके, so let's see this question paper. Yeah, so yes, we had discussed this till 70, I guess. Okay, let's begin. So who among the following is not an Irish writer? So यहाँ पे D.H. Lawrence होगा क्योंकि D.H. Lawrence एक इंग्लिश ऑथर है. Who among the following holds that relationship among units within the kinship system or any structure occur in binary pairs which are either similar to each other or different from each other? Claude Lévi-Strauss. Who among the following poets has another name? Madhavi Kutti या कमला सुरैया if I'm right. कमला दास होगी यहाँ पे. Who among the following suggests that cultural phenomena are not simply the results of objective observations but are shaped by power relations and discursive practices? तो यहाँ पे मिशेल फुको होगा क्योंकि ये डिस्कोर्सेज और पावर रिलेशन ये मिशेल फुको ही बताते हैं. Who has written the book Mythologies? यहाँ पे देखते ही रोलन बाथ लगा दो. Write the correct sequence of doing research on a topic, taking notes, outlining and preparing the paper, compiling a working bibliography, selecting a suitable topic. तो सबसे पहले सिलेक्ट करना होता है, उसके बाद अगर बिब्लियोग्राफी आप बना लो बेस्ट होता है, फिर रीड करते हैं. यहाँ रीडिंग नहीं है, टेकिंग नोट्स कर लो, फिर आउटलाइनिंग एंड प्रिपेयरिंग द पेपर. ओके, डी. Which of the following is correct? As a form of communication, a research paper should present information and ideas with clarity. Lively and intelligent writing is superior to research writing with documentation or poor presentation. The researcher's own ideas should be overshadowed by documentation of sources. तो यहाँ पे मैंने तो सी टिक किया था. आइडियली पहले आंसर शीट में भी सी माना गया, बहुत लोगों ने बी भी टिक किया था, बट आई थिंक इसका आंसर सी होगा बिकॉज रिसर्चर्स ओन आइडिया शुडिंट बी ओवरशैडोड, राइट. उसके खुद के आइडियाज़ प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए पेपर में. ओके, सो 78 में क्वालिटेटिव ए का थर्ड होगा. मोर कंसर्न टू अंडरस्टैंड इंडिविजुअल्स. क्वांटिटेटिव will be 2, collection of facts and the study of. Experimental approach will be C का 1 होगा, that is allows conclusion to be drawn. Ethnographic is participants observation and field work. Okay, who has written the play Justice? John Galsworthy. To be or not to be is the question. This is the most popular soliloquy of Hamlet. I hope it is a soliloquy, yes. Who has written, used the terms cultural poetics? Stephen Grunwald. Who has challenged Western representations of East, exposing how Westerners serve to perpetuate colonial power dynamics? It is Edward Said. Who examines how culture shaped our understanding of identity? Particularly in relation to race, एथनिसिटी एंड क्लास. यहाँ पे स्टुअर्ट हॉल होगा क्योंकि इन्होंने रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात की है, इनका एक काम भी है द स्पेक्टर ऑफ द अदर. हु हैज़ एक्सप्लोर्ड वर्किंग क्लास कल्चर इन 1930s and 1940s, showing how mass culture influence and shape individual lives? It is Richard Hogarth होगा. Who is which of the following is not the correct reason of Nora leaving a husband towards the end of the play, A Doll's House? यहाँ पे Nora realizes that her husband is a kind of person she had believed him to be, and their marriage was not based on fantasies. ओके, तो ये होगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे है नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर. तो वो तो अगर रियलाइज़ करेगी कि दैट हिम टू बी एंड द मैरिज वॉज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन फैंटसीज. Nora realized that husband has never loved her and they have become strangers to each other. ये नहीं. Nora feels betrayed and tries to understand herself by leaving her husband. ये नहीं. Nora feels she has been treated like a doll. ये तीनों होगा, तो कौन सा नहीं होगा? ये D नहीं होगा because she had believed him to be is kind of person she had believed. No, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि नोरा रियलाइज दैट हर हस्बैंड इज़ द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन शी हैड बिलीव टू बी, शी हैडंट बिलीव्ड इट टू बी, राइट। तो ये तो इसका डी होगा। विच स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट द प्ले आर्म्स एंड द मैन। तो आर्म्स एंड द प्ले emphasizes that everyone is a liar, the play is a tragedy, the play exposes hypocrisy of human nature, hypocrisy तो होगा, futility of war, emphasize everybody is a liar, liar है, ये tragedy नहीं है, ये comedy है शायद, comedy। Okay, which of the following is not romantic comedy, sort of some kind of romance is there? Which is not the correct about a novel, a House for Mr. Biswas? Tulsi Dome is a microcosm of colonialism. That's true. The novel deals with identity crisis of the protagonist. Yes. Portraying that as a monoculture. No, it's a multicultural society. तो ये C होगा. Who has written the book for the foundation of Indian culture? It is Aurobindo. Which of the following is an autobiography? Long Walks of Freedom by Nelson Mandela, which is not one of the themes of Wings of Fire? The role of women in society, because women का context कहाँ दिया? APJ अब्दुल कलाम के बारे में, और उन्होंने जो भी ड्रीम्स उनके थे, विजन, इनोवेशन, ये सब के बारे में, सोशल हार्मनी, इंक्लूसिविटी, women का as such रोल नहीं है। Which one of the following is the opinion of Aristotle? Poetry is less philosophical than history. Poetry does not have a universal appeal. It does. Infuses a particular rather than universal appeal. Poetry reproduces facts to which truth is embedded. Which one of the following is the opinion of Aristotle? तो पहला नहीं होना चाहिए, दूसरा नहीं होना चाहिए, तीसरा नहीं होना चाहिए, चौथा होना चाहिए। Reproduces facts to which truth is embedded. Yes. Who among the following critics has stated that poetry is the breath and finest spirit of William Wordsworth? हमें पता है that poet's mind is catalytic agent which enhances the poetic process rather than participating in it. So it is T.S. Eliot. Tradition and individual talent का है most probably. Phenomenology is Edward Husserl. इसी से पता चल रहा है. Which of the following is not true? Action research is appropriate in any context when specific knowledge required for specific problem in specific situation. Not true बोले, ये तो हो सही होगा. Needs to be planned in the same systematic way as any other type of research. Yes. Act is not a method or technique, but it is an approach which has to be attractive because of its problem solving emphasis. Limited to projects carried out by teachers in an educational setting. D होना चाहिए. Who among the following pioneered infantile sexuality? Sigmund Freud. Who has written the books Gender, Trouble, Feminism and Subversion of Identity? It is Judith Butler. Gender studies is interdisciplinary in both its root and its method, having arisen in literary and cultural theory, sociology, anthropology and psychoanalysis. It examines the oppressive history of gays, lesbians, and other erotic groups. Both are true. Polysemy, synonym, antonym, hyponym. तो synonym, antonym का पता चली जाएगा, तो A होगा. In which of the Shakespeare do you find the character Portia, who has saved the life of Antonio? So Merchant of Venice. So this is the full question paper. I hope